How to forward WhatsApp messages to email. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to forward a message from WhatsApp to email, what you're simply going to do is first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your device, then go to the chat you want to send. Now, the first option you can do is long press on the chat you want to send and then copy the text and then send it on email by pasting it. Or the next thing you can do is in the top right corner, you can see the three dot option. Click on it, then go to settings. After you go to settings, go to the option chats, then scroll to the bottom of the page and in the last option you can see chat history. Click on chat history, then you can see various options over here. Go to the first option which says export chat. Then select the chat you want to export to email. After that, over here, you can see Gmail. Click on it. Then you can write the email of the person you want to send it to and then send it. So this is how you can send a WhatsApp message to email. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.